All right, so take a deep breath and just say out loud, I feel uncomfortable forgiving myself. And see where that registers. For me, I couldn't even say the phrase, I love, forgive, and accept myself when I first started the tapping solution process. I couldn't. It was too much. I could barely say accept. I wouldn't even say the other two. So remember where it is on a scale of 1 to 10, and we will track it at the end, because that's how we want to use this healing technique. We want to know where we're at. We want to know if we're shifting our energy, if we're making a difference. It may not always go down. It may go up because you're focusing on emotions, on events, on activities, on just, stressful situations, and that may go up. But if you tap long enough, it will come down. So just know that. 15 minutes, according to Dr. Bruce Lipton, is the sweet spot. And you can reprogram your mind. Because remember, tapping meditation is not just meditation. It is giving you access to, it's a super learning process where you hit the record button on the subconscious mind. You are accessing your subconscious mind, and you are able to record over old programs, negative programs, false beliefs that are not serving you, that have been there for years. And you can do this in 15 minutes flat. So here we go. All right. So this is the tapping meditation for self-forgiveness. And this is going to help you be able to forgive yourself, to nurture yourself, to honor yourself, your mind, body, soul, and spirit, and to be able to start implementing that self-care and that emotional well-being that you deserve. So here we go. You can tap anywhere. I'm going to tap here on my collarbone point, which is 1 to 2 inches below the collarbone. Just say these phrases out louder to yourself as I say them. I'll leave a little bit of space in between so it's not so hard to repeat them. Even though I didn't know I could forgive myself, I honor and embrace how I feel. Even though I am resistant to forgiving myself, I honor and embrace how I feel. Even though I'm not sure forgiving myself will make things better, I honor and embrace how I feel. All of this doubt fills my entire being. This uncertainty keeps me stuck. This fear keeps me from living a full life. I'm not sure forgiveness will make me a better person. I've held on to this pain for so long. I'm just so afraid that I will make the same mistakes again. Forgiveness is supposed to be a gift you give yourself. So why am I so nervous about it? I don't know if I can handle all the emotion involved in the forgiveness process. Why have I always thought forgiving myself is so tough to do? I don't understand the forgiveness process. I'm not even sure I should forgive myself. Forgiveness makes me feel vulnerable. I just don't feel like I deserve to forgive myself. Just the thought of forgiving myself makes me feel weak. My mind says, don't do it. My soul questions, are you sure? My spirit leads to confusion. My entire being is worried about the entire forgiveness process, but why? Am I worried because I don't feel worthy of my own forgiveness? Maybe if I start the process of forgiveness, it will get easier. I choose to forgive myself, even if it's just a little bit. I forgive myself for being so critical. I forgive myself for neglecting my mind, body, soul, and spirit. I forgive myself for being so afraid of this entire process. I forgive myself for letting my BS story hold me back for so long. I forgive myself for holding on to guilt, fear, anger, resentment, and pity. I forgive myself for thinking I was not good enough. I forgive myself so I can leave all these uncomfortable emotions in the past. I live a life of health, wealth, love, and happiness. I live a life that inspires others every day. I enjoy recreating my mind and helping others get the right mindset from the beginning. I live a life that I choose to live without fear, a life with vibrant love, including self-love. I forgive, I understand, I observe, I care, I love, I laugh, I live my full life. I attract people, events, activities, and money to do what my heart desires. Universe, higher power, I am enough. I am worthy. I am beyond enough. I am effing amazing. I take responsibility to do my part to make sure my blessings will be delivered. I believe in the higher power, the universe, to deliver my blessings. I forgive myself to start this process of healing my mind, body, soul, and spirit. I release any and all thoughts, emotions, events from my past that have been holding me back right now. Take a deep breath. Now say again out loud, I feel uncomfortable forgiving myself. And see where that resonates with you. Is it still where it was? Has it gone up? Has it gone down? Let me know if you tracked it and what that number was before and what it is now. Also, don't forget when you go watch my Live Your Full Life channel to subscribe, and also remember to like the video and to comment. There's little comments down below. If you click, I think where it says more, like a little drop down will pop up, and then you can type your comment in. That's very helpful because it shows interaction, and it also helps the other viewers understand what you're taking away from it. Remember, we're a community and we help each other grow. So we need to have this interaction of how it's helping one another, so that way we can help each other. Just, you know, give some input, what helped you, what you liked about it, and everything that you're learning from it and your takeaway from it.